Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a Bobbi Boss wig. This wig is a part of their Boss Lace First Class Hair Premium Synthetic Collection. The wig that we are reviewing today is called Lorraine. You can find this wig at your local beauty supply store, online, and maybe, just maybe, if she is cute, we will go ahead and add her to SlateSecrets.com. So without further ado, let's check out Lorraine. Alright, let's get started. The first topic is initial shedding, so I'm going to do my usual comb through. As I was doing the comb through, about 2 hair strands did fall from this wig while I was combing my fingers through the hair. So that's very light shedding, but shedding is shedding. So something to know about this wig. The next topic is smell. This wig smells like a brown paper bag. It smells like the packaging that it came in. So it doesn't smell bad to me, but something to know about this wig for sure. So kudos to not smelling bad. Texture. Now, I will say that the texture for this wig, it feels like synthetic hair. It is definitely soft, and it's the kind of synthetic hair that is cool to the touch. And baby girl is thick, so let's go right into volume. Okay, volume. This girl, she moves. Okay, that's number 1, she moves. Number 2, she is thick. Okay, like this has to be 150 density. Like, this is plenty of hair, and I am here for it. Okay, she is nice and thick and soft. Like, this is my speed. Okay, this is my speed. And she has curls. The curls are absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and take it to pattern. This is a loose wave. We can call this a loose wave curl. Yeah, we'll stick to that. A loose wave curl. I love it. This is gorgeous. This is between the highlights and the waves. I dig it. As far as the hair ends look good. The hair ends are not dry. The hair ends are soft indeed. They maintain this wig very well, so kudos to that. Tangles. I am not having any issues combing my fingers through this wig. This wig is definitely tangle free. The next topic is true to length. Bobbi Boss does not disclose the length of the hair for this wig, so we can go ahead and get an estimate of the hair length. And as the wig is hanging freely, it does reach the 26-inch mark. Hanging freely, 26 inches long. So of course, if you were to straighten this wig, it would be longer, past 26 inches. Baby girl is long, you already know. She's on my good side, okay? Already feeling baby girl. So let's go ahead and talk about the wig structure. So this is the front of the wig. This is the right side of the wig. There's not much of a hairline. If you were to pre-pluck it, you would literally find tracks. You actually can kind of see the tracks right here as I'm pulling it back. Barely a hairline, like, if the camera wants to cooperate and show. But this is all literally tracks. Let's bring you to the center. It's literally tracks. This is the left side. And you see that right there? You see that imperfection? That is how they sewed the wig. The tracks are clearly visible, so I do not recommend attempting to customize the hairline for this wig. There won't be much customization to do or to be able to do, and then yeah, this is not a good lace front. I don't really pull my wigs back anyway, so I usually wear my hair down with these wigs. So, but if you're going to have a lace, do it right, you know. But besides that, they do give you baby hair mostly in the center of the wig, so it's okay. It's okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inner structure for this wig. So here's the front of the wig cap. As you can see, they give you 2 wig clips, and that middle part is a straight middle part, so we can go ahead and measure that. So that is about 4 inches all the way from the back of the lace all the way to the front of the lace where the hairline is. Not bad. And then as you can see, it's not a true lace front. The hairline is not a pluckable hairline. It really isn't. So let's go ahead and turn to the back. This is the back of the wig cap. As you can see, it is 100% netted, so it should be breathable. They give you 1 wig clip in the very back of the wig with 2 drawstrings and many belt loops to adjust the cap size. Here's a closer look of that area. Pretty straightforward. So that is all for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and she's okay. You know, she's not giving me that wow factor that I was hoping for. You know, she's pretty basic, a simple wig, you know. This is the kind of wig that I would wear if I did wear it. It would probably be to run a quick errand. So maybe pump some gas or go to the grocery store, you know, grab a quick bite to eat. You know, I don't think this is a going out wig, but you can definitely dress it up. Next thing that I have to say, she is not big head friendly at all. This wig is so tight, I feel like I'm going to get a headache the longer that I sit with this wig. Like my head is not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it in this wig. So, and that's why I said earlier, if I were to wear this wig, I don't see that happening. So she's way too tight. She's too tight. I do like the color. The color is definitely pretty. And then right here in the front, there's like this yellowish highlight, which I think is different. But besides that, she's okay. The wig is okay. So overall, I'm rating this wig a 7 out of 10. Losing 1 point because it does shed, losing a 2nd point because it is not big head friendly, and then losing a 3rd point because the hairline, the lace is horrible. The structure of it is horrible. The whole lace gotta go, in my opinion. This lace was a hot mess, you know. It's not versatile at all. You can only wear this hairstyle like this. Otherwise, you'd be exposed. Your hairline, you'd be exposed, okay? So yeah, that's how I feel. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comments. You know, I can be a little bit harsh sometimes on the critique, but if you agree, if you disagree, let me know. If you think I should add this on slatesecrets.com, also share that. And if you absolutely need to get your hands on this wig, let me know. We will find the color that you want and make that happen. But otherwise, the links will be down in the description. So that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!